This app pays you $31.99 whenever you qualify and start being a tutor. It is majorly for mathematics teachers. You can access it wherever you are in the whole world. The best part is that it helps both students, and at the same time it will help you as a teacher who has been looking for a job to sit home and just manage your time. You sit down, you say, I'm going to do two problems, I'm going to solve two problems in a day or in how many minutes, and I earn more than $31. In this app, you're going to find their questions or their answers and problems to solve from elementary and middle school students, also high school students, college students. So if you know you are a mathematics teacher, and you know most of the people now, not even now, even in our times before, mathematics is one of the so-called tagged as the hardest subject in all subjects and in all levels. So if you know you're a qualified teacher, you're a qualified tutor, you're a qualified a lecturer, just to reach near, and you're a teacher, you're a high school teacher or you're a college teacher, come and earn this money. This money is from an app which is accessible on all browsers, which is accessible on any nation and wherever you are. This is
Well, Yup is here to help you help more of your students at once. Yup Math Tutoring is an on-demand math tutoring service that is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Students can connect with Yup tutors through our secure app to receive one-on-one math support. All students have to do to connect with the tutor is visit student.yup.com on their computer or open the Yup app on their smartphone and snap a photo of the problem they're working on to connect with an expert tutor instantly. Through secure, text-based messaging and photo sharing, Yup tutors work with your students until they fully understand the concept, not just until they get the right answer. You can be confident that with Yup, your students will learn how to solve any math problem. Encourage your students to have a session today.
Graduate students and education professionals with an average of 5 years teaching experience. All tutors are thoroughly screened for math expertise and teaching skills. Every tutoring session is reviewed by Yup for quality and graded according to our teaching standards. An example of a teaching standard is whether the Yup tutor adapted to the student's learning needs or not. Meeting these standards ensures that learning is taking place. Tutors receive weekly session feedback in order to maintain the highest quality instruction. This guarantees that your child receives the teaching they need to thrive in the classroom and beyond.
So let's dive in. Which app is this? This is Yup app. The Yup app can be accessed, as I told you, in all platforms, on all your devices, and the main aim is to accelerate the learning of students and also teachers' capacity to be expanded wherever they are and let you earn some money wherever you are. So how do you do it and how do you access this Yup? Yup, go to your browser and put Yup, Y-U-P. When you put Yup, YUP, I mean from wherever you are, is it on Android or it is on iPhone, this interface will come. So you will find out that Yup has been there in existence and it has helped many communities, it has helped many people, it has helped many students to access the math solving as far as solving problems is concerned. So when you go to the when you reach this interface, do you want to be a teacher? Do you want to be a tutor, or you want to be you want your school to be enrolled, or you are a parent, or a student, you want to access this service? So when you reach on this interface, you are going to decide, do you want one of them? What exactly do you want? But here we are talking about people who want to earn $31 and above. So we are talking about people are teachers or tutors. The students are there and the testimonies have been talked about. If you go through the whole interface, you're going to see how people are really appreciating the app as far as the schools are concerned and the parents are concerned. Now for you who is a teacher and you're seated out there and you want to do just a job at your own time, you want to maintain your own time flow, come here. You go to this interface, you check how the schedule is. For you to become a tutor, you're going to find terms and conditions. You're going to find that you're going to do an exam also. You're going to do application. You're going to do a demon teaching, and you're also going to show them how exactly good you are. So if you're taken up, you are going to be submitting the time frame or the time you want to be available on this app and solve the problems. So the moment you apply to be a tutor or a teacher and you're taken up, you expect that there are things that are going to change in your life. One, learning and not cheating. You're going to even know that at this time your mindset is going to be changed, and at the same time you're going to change someone out there who says mathematics is very hard, and the tutors who are accessible on the ground, sometimes there are not enough to care for all this. So when you come here as a YAP tutor, you know you either going to teach pre-algebra, or you're going to teach algebra, or you're going to go ahead and teach others, because as we said, it is from elementary to college students. So wherever you find you lie, that's where you're going to concentrate. I want you to go to this interface and scroll up, because you're a teacher. I'm not a mathematics teacher, but I'm bringing for you this. If you know you're good at solving the, trigonometry, if you're good at solving geometry, if you're good at these so-called mathematics solutions and challenges, please go type in YAP, download the app. For it, you can also go ahead and log in and sign up. The moment you sign up, they are going to bring for you the form, and you're going to fill the form exactly where do you lie, if you're a middle school teacher or you're a high school teacher or you're a college teacher. Then from there, they'll be bringing for you problems for solving. The students always go to the app, take the photos, and drop them on this app. So the moment they drop them on this app, you are there, you're going to be there. They are going to assign you one of the students, two students, three students, depending on the time that you're going to give them. And you're going to tell them that I'll be available at this time. So I found this as one of the best app that can help students, because most capacity or ratio is very high compared to teachers' capacity as far as the attendance is concerned. But when you come to this YAP Tutor Math app, you will go and see how it works. When you go to the interface, I encourage you that you first learn exactly how it works. The interface will show you how YAP works, and from there it will again show you how you can teach, what are the lessons they have, and it will continue and show you how you're going to be earning from this app. To earn from this app, you can determine how many minutes or how many hours or how many problems do you want to solve, or how many children or students do you want to attend. Then after doing that, I know you're going to ask, how will I be paid? When you go on this interface and learn it all, you will know even how you'll be paid. It is always be